Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. So in today's video we'll be creating some fabulous neon dot nails using our brand new neon acrylic range. You can find links to purchase all the products used in this video in the description, available at naionails.com. So let's get started. So we've already prepped these nails with C-curved square tips, dehydrated and primed them. Now we're ready to get started. So I'm going to be using warm beige acrylic powder with Maxi Design liquid to build the structure of the nail. Apply the acrylic bead, pat it into place and carefully build your apex. So for shorter nails, a small apex is all you need. Once your acrylic is set, we'll file the nails with our reusable disposable files. Stick the disposable grit to the metal base and once you're done, peel it off and toss it. It's easy and hygienic. Next, smooth the surface with a buffing block, wipe the nails clean and they're ready for some nail art. We're using Serious Black and Snow White gel paint for this look. Start by creating random black patterns with a detailed brush. Once that's done, use Snow White with a dotting tool to add random dots over the larger black sections. And now it's time for the fun part, so dip into the neon acrylic powders and tap the colours onto the dots for a bold ombre effect. There's no need for perfection, have fun with all the colours. Once the design is complete, seal it with our gel polish top coat. Watch the colours pop as you cure the top coat. Finish by cleaning the nails and applying our Tropical Punch Cuticle Oil for that final touch of hydration and shine. And there you have it, the neon dot nail art using our stunning neon acrylic range. If you love this design, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video.